Good morning, students. In the previous video, I explained about natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Now, when I'm explaining about natural fibers and synthetic fibers, do you know, children, what are fibers? Have you seen fibers? Yes, you all must have seen fibers. We will see what are fibers. You all must have seen wool at your house. This is, I have taken a string, or you can say wool, okay, and what you have to do, you have to twist this wool. You can see that this wool is twisted. You have to twist this wool in the opposite direction, okay. See, I will twist it. I am twisting this in the opposite direction. When you twist this wool in the opposite direction, you will see many strands. Can you see many strands? Ye dekho, different strands are there na. So these different strands, okay, these are called as the fibers. Okay, what are these called as? These are called as the fibers. So what are fibers? Fibers are generally thin and short in length. As you can see here, these are thin and short. But what has been done? Many bunches of fibers is taken. See, you can see now here how many, here, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so many are taken. So when you take a bunch of fibers and then you press it, okay, press it like this, and then after pressing it, you twist it, you press it and then you twist it like this. So when you press it and twist it, it can be converted into long threads, just like a wool, okay, and these long threads are called as yarn. Clear, children? So I hope that you understand the difference between fiber and yarn. Okay, these are the yarns, short strands. Okay, you can see here short strands, and these short strands of fibers are pressed. Okay, इसको press किया जाता है and then इसको twist किया जाता है to form a yarn. So this is in the same way. If you want, you can take a cotton. Okay, see, you must have seen cotton, all of you. What you have to do, you have to take the cotton, pull apart a portion of it. Now if I pull apart, see, when I pull apart, can you see the fibers? Small fiber, see, all these are fibers. When you pull apart this cotton, you will be able to see the fibers. See, these are called as the fibers. Okay, this is the fiber, and then from the fiber what is made? Yarn. And how do you make yarn? Just now I told you, this fiber, see, for example, I am taking a little portion of this fiber. Okay, this fiber, you take it, and what do you have to do? You have to press it. Okay, you have to press it, and then when you twist it like this, twist it, what will you get? You will get a cotton yarn. Okay, see, this is a cotton yarn. This was fiber, many fibers together. Okay, see, now I am twisting this continuously. This was cotton, and when I am twisting it continuously, what is formed? You can see a thread-like structure. Can you see, children? Thread-like structure. And then what is this thread-like structure? This thread-like structure is called as the yarn. So I hope you have you have understood the difference between fiber and yarn. So yarn is made from the fiber. Okay, here this is wool. This is one yarn, one piece of wool. I have taken one piece of wool. This is a yarn. And how was it made? It was made from the fiber. So the process of twisting the fibers to make yarn is called spinning. Just now I told you, na? What did I do? I took this cotton fiber, and then what did I do? After taking this, I twisted it like this, okay, with my hands. And when I twisted with my hands, what did you get? After twisting it with my hands, I got this. What is this? This is a yarn. Okay, this is a yarn. So the process of twisting the fibers to make yarn is called as spinning. And spinning, how can you do spinning? Spinning can be done by using tools like hand spindle, which is called takli in Hindi, or a spindle, charkha. Okay, spinning is done on takli or spindle, and on a large scale spinning is done by machines. Nowadays spinning is done by machine. You all must have seen a charkha. Okay, this is a takli, and this is a charkha. Okay, so the yarn produced from fibers. First of all, what is the first one? First is fibers. From the fibers, this is fiber. Okay, from the fibers, or you can say these were the fibers which I separated. From the fibers, what was made? On twisting, yarn was made. Okay, and then from this yarn you can make the fabric. What is fabric? जो कपड़े हम लोग पहनते हैं, that is called as the fabric. Okay, so from this yarn you can make the fabric. And how can you make the fabric? Fabric can be from the fibers, from the yarn. Fabric can be made by two methods. Okay, yarn to fabric. And what are those two methods? One is weaving and the second one is knitting. See, you all must have seen cloths. We all wear clothes. What is weaving? See, I will show you one cloth. See, this is weaving. This is a very common cloth, marking cloth, which is available at everyone's home. Okay, now if you look at it closely, children, what can you see? You will be able to see that it is in a form of net. That means there are yarn. ये जो single thread that you can see, they are the yarn. This yarn, okay, it is woven vertically also, and it is woven horizontally also. Okay, horizontal and vertical. So this process is called as weaving, and by this process all the cloths are made by the process of weaving. Any material you take, children, okay, you take, this is a marking cloth, okay, there you will find weaving. Then see, this is I will show you the cloths. See, this is my dupatta. Can you see, children? This is my dupatta. Now if you look at it closely, again you will be able to see, I have zoomed it for you. Can you see? Very clearly it is. This is my dupatta. See, there is a lace also. And this, if you look at this very closely, can you see? There are horizontal lines also, and there are vertical lines also. So this is how from the fiber you can see one single जो एक threads दिख रहे हैं, single जो threads दिख रहे हैं, they are all yarn. Okay, from the yarn this fabric, my dupatta is made up of this fabric. Okay, then from that just now I told you this marking cloth again. So you can see that all the clothes which you find at your home or that you wear, they all are made by the process of weaving. Okay, so weaving means, and how is it done? Weaving is done on devices called as looms. Okay, the small looms which can be operated manually means with the help of hand, they are called as hand looms. Okay, and when it is made on a large scale, जब बहुत ज़्यादा बनाने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है, that is made on power looms in the mill. Okay, and the fabric produced can be several meters long. So this is weaving. Okay, the one which you can, just now I have shown you, this is the process of weaving. The second method is knitting. Knitting you all must have seen your mother's knitting a sweater. And how does she make a sweater? She uses a yarn to make a complete sweater out of this. Okay, see the one which you get at the market, this is the wool. This is what? This is the yarn of the wool. Okay, this is the yarn. So from one ball, this is one ball, so from one ball of yarn she starts making the sweater. So sweaters are knitted with the help of needles. Okay, they can be knit with the help of needles. So these are the two processes by which by which fabric can be made. One is weaving and the another one is knitting. Clear, children? I hope that this much is clear to all of you. The rest will continue in the next video. Thank you.